We're going to talk about gratitude for a few minutes. I'm going to give you some tips, some action items, some things that you can implement right away. One of the things with gratitude, and everybody's heard this before or heard of this concept before, but it's gratitude journal, right? It's writing down every day 3 to 5 things that you're grateful for every day. I think the best time to do this is at the end of the night, right before you go to bed, because there's something, and Heather may be able to speak to this, there's something subliminal about putting that seed in your mind while you're sleeping. So when you do that, though, be very specific and focused on details. Like, I'm grateful for the warmth of the sun during my morning walk or something, right? Like because there's part of this feeling part of it, how it makes you feel, that we're going to get to in a minute. And the reason that it helps is that it helps you focus on the positives in your life and shifts your perspective towards abundance, right? We're always talking about that. And changing your mindset, shifting your mindset is everything, because all day long we're going to get bombarded with noise and things that have happened to us in our lives, and that just happen on a daily basis. So the next thing, because again, that mindset and how you think about things is so important, that you can have that journal. And don't do it like with your bullet journal. I mean, have a separate journal just for this, and try this for 90 days. It will change your life. I promise you, if you just do the gratitude journal for 90 days. Now, I didn't say it was going to change your life in 10 days, so you got to keep going for the whole 90 days, right? All right, so the next thing is practice daily affirmations. And so how it works is start your day. Again, I start my day with working out. I start my day with my devotional. I start my day with prayer. First thing in the morning, you got to do these affirmations and these of gratitude, these gratitude affirmations. I'm grateful for the opportunities today that today will bring. I'm grateful for the opportunities today will bring. I appreciate the people who support me. And the reason that this helps is it gets your mindset open and ready for gratitude, and it reinforces positive emotions, and it boosts your confidence, because you're confident, I'm going to have this productive, cool day. All right. So the next thing is expressing that gratitude to others. Verbally thank someone. It could be somebody that works in your neighborhood or that is at your coffee shop that you got coffee from. Thank them verbally. Write a handwritten note, like a heartfelt note. It can just be a note that you hand to somebody, or a quick text message expressing your appreciation for someone or something they've done. It can be little, okay, but this expressing gratitude to others is huge. You know, I'm not great at this, but Nick is very good at writing out 10 thank you letters every week. And if you do that, if you write down 3 to 5 things every night that you're grateful for, if you say those affirmations like in the mirror, watch yourself, look at yourself in the mirror. I used to, like when I wasn't happy with my weight, I wouldn't want to look at myself in the mirror. But you know what? It's accountability, but it's also, it makes those affirmations deeper. Like it makes them absorb into your brain, into your body. And expressing it to other people, it feels good because it makes them feel good. And just as humans, we like that. We like to make other people feel good, right? So, all right. So then when you have a challenge, the way that you keep a gratitude mentality mindset is you reframe those challenges as opportunities. So like, here's how it works. When something comes up and it's difficult, reflect on what you're learning or how this experience helps you grow. Like, man, I am going to be a lot stronger after this. And then it shifts and why it helps is it shifts your perspective to focus on the silver linings, right? Cultivates resilience and appreciation for life's lessons. And again, if you believe in God and you read the Bible, it says there will be trials. And it says embrace those trials, because those trials are going to build you into the person that God wants you to become. Okay, if you don't believe in God and you believe in just the universe and everything just kind of all fell into place and we all crawled out of sludge, and Bach and Beethoven could just look at a piano and just play it, and I look at a piano and I probably could never even learn how to play chopsticks. If that's, you just believe that, then when I say God, say universe. Now, I stole that from a rabbi friend of mine, Daniel Lappin. He would always say that. And I love that. You know, if you think that we all just did this and I can't play chopsticks, but Bach or Beethoven could just see it and there aren't any God-given gifts, that's just evolution. Anyway, I'll get off that subject. Sorry. Create gratitude rituals. I mean, writing out those handwritten notes, that's a ritual. And incorporate, so how it works, incorporate into your daily routine. Like everybody talks about exercise. Incorporate exercise into your daily routine. It doesn't take long where it's just like, it's something you want to do. Express thanks before meals. It's just giving thanks, right? During family conversations, at bedtime. It's, you know, saying to your spouse or your partner, hey, just really grateful for you today. And thank you for whatever it was that that person did during that day to serve you, to help you, or whatever. Or pray, thank God. I mean, for your day, for the things that you learned during your day. Excuse me, in conversations when you're connecting with your family, your friends, or whatever it is. And the reason it helps is rituals make gratitude an automatic and consistent part of your life. Now think about if every day you're just going around being grateful for everything that you had, everything that happened to you. You're really in your heart grateful. How could you be mad? It's impossible to be grateful and mad at the same time. It's impossible. So how could you be depressed? It's impossible to be depressed and grateful at the same time. Impossible. So you can't be negative and grateful at the same time. There's none. Okay, pro tip. Visual triggers. Gratitude jar with a rock or pennies or whatever, where your family can add notes of gratitude too. Like a jar that you just put shit in there that you're grateful for, stuff in there, and that you're thankful for. And you get everybody to do it. Or get everybody a bunch of those little sticky notes. And everybody in your house, you know, put up a sticky note every day of, hey, I'm really grateful. I'm very thankful for, just put something on there, something small. But the biggest thing is consistently implementing some of these strategies. You'll get a gratitude mindset, which is an abundant mindset, and it'll transform your life, not only your life, but the people around you too. And I think, don't we all want to transform the people around us, especially the people we love and care about? But if we're running a business, don't we really want to transform those people? I mean, I think we do. And just being grateful, this is the time to start that habit. And the first 90 days of doing this gratitude journal, it'll change your life. I want you to just think about gratitude. Gratitude journal, gratitude affirmations, expressing gratitude. Those three things, the notes, the triggers, any of that, implement it, show people that you're grateful, show people that you love them. And that's our biggest commandment, is love our neighbors like ourselves, right? Love God with all your heart. So you pray, you put these things up, you do the gratitude journal, the affirmations. Try it for 90 days. If it doesn't change your life, tell me all the time that you spent. I'll reimburse you to your favorite charity if it doesn't change your life. I promise. Okay? I hope everybody has a great week. Everybody's safe, and you stay out of the cold. As you can see down here in Florida, 50 degrees this morning when I woke up and went to the gym, and still got the hoodie on because that's winter for us. I know there's somebody throwing something at their computer right now that lives in Green Bay or Minnesota, but 55, 50 it's chilly for us. So thank you all. Godspeed. We'll see you next week.